First of all, cover both points of the pipe with Teflon tape to avoid water leakage. Cover the joint appropriately with the glue from inside for proper pasting. Now apply the joint on both sides appropriately. Fix the joint properly on both ends and tighten it with the help of the tools. Now, get the exact measurement of the length of pipe after fixing the joint on both ends. After that, take the exact measurement of the main pipeline where you have to fix the pipe of machine. Now cut the main pipeline according to the taking measurements. Now apply the glue inside the joint and outside the main pipeline and join the pipe with the main pipeline. After that, set the clips on the panel to fix it on the pipe of machine. Now, fix the panel on the pipe and tighten the clips using tools so panel can work properly without any movement. Now connect all the cables with the panel and fix the fuse inside properly to the panel. That's it! Now your ESoft ready to give you the soft water with all the minerals.